If you have a good cooking mama like I do, there are always going to be some dishes that's going to be at the top of your list. For me, it's my mama biscuits, her smothered pork chops, and her ribs. Let me show you how to make Miss Shirley's ribs, aka my mama. The first thing she would do is parboil her ribs in water, lots of vinegar, because that's the Eastern North Carolina way, crushed red pepper, salt, and pepper. You want to cook these ribs until they're about fork tender, then they'll finish in the oven. Now, she would never really make her sauce from scratch. She would use some bottle sauce and doctor it up. So get your favorite bottle of barbecue sauce, add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, some cayenne pepper, red pepper flakes, salt and pepper, a stick of butter, and of course, some vinegar, because that's the Eastern Carolina. Once your ribs are fork tender, you want to pour on the sauce. Cover with foil and bake it in the oven, about 30 minutes. Jesus. Now this is an after church kind of meal, a sis you can throw down kind of meal, and the type of meal I had every Sunday growing up. Thank you, Mama. Love you.